Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another one-of-a-kind and unique unbox and review episode. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Ford Raptor, which is a 1/28 scale 6-wheel die-cast beast of a truck that comes with sounds and lights. And what's more awesome is that this truck also comes with a motorcycle which are manufactured by a Chinese company called Che Zhi. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, the packaging on this one is a window type boxing manufactured by Che Zhi, and this boxing comes with all product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we crack this thing open. And with that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. To begin with, this model is a 1/28 scale diecast replica of the Ford Raptor F-150 truck, which is an absolute beast of a truck that rides on 6 massive wheels, unlike a regular 4-wheel truck. This truck comes in 3 color variants, which are black with gold graphics, blue with white graphics, and the one I got, which is the red variant with black graphics. Well, after getting my hands on with this truck, I should admit that I'm happy regarding the build and the exteriors, as this truck has quite an amazing build quality with weight to it and is really sturdy and has quite a premium look to it. This Ford Raptor has quite a bit of details and is manufactured mostly of die-cast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 9 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 4 inches in width, and weighs in at about 494 grams. And what's impressive with this model is that it comes in a fully realistic looking and all clear body that's of a premium build quality and looks like a real deal, which is really impressive, and I'm lost for words to exactly describe what I feel about this premium diecast Ford F-150 truck right now. Well, this model comes with spot on trademark Ford paint job, which is simply amazing, and the branding details are spot on as well. This model has free rolling wheels and steering with a pullback mechanism that makes it functional as well. This Ford F-150 comes with an excellent suspension and a lot more intricate details, which makes this an amazing collectible to add to one's collection. And in addition to all these amazing features, this premium beast of a truck also comes with sounds and lights, which really intrigues me. And if that's not enough, this truck also comes rear-loaded with a motorcycle that's removable and functional too, which I can't wait to check out, so stay tuned. Well, on the whole, premium is the word, and with this diecast model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast collector or hobbyist, and moreover is well worth the money you spend for it. So with that being said, now let's take a closer look at this amazing beast of a truck and check out its wheel spin and its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. Well, the motorcycle that comes with this truck doesn't look that realistic to me, so I pull out a few of my 1/64th scale licensed diecast motorcycles to see how I can mix and match them with this awesome truck. So stay tuned and let's take a look. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectation with this premium diecast Ford F-150 truck. And this being my first beast of a truck, I'm really happy and excited to add this to my ever-growing diecast collection, and this gives me another reason to consider building a diorama around it. So let me know what you think in the comments below. And so with that being said, let's place this beast of a truck on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this Ford F-150 in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. The Ford Raptor is a nameplate used by the high-performance variants of the Ford F-150 and the Ford Ranger. It draws its name from both Birds of Prey and the Velociraptor. Introduced for the 2010 model year, 2 generations of the F-150 Raptor has been produced. The Ranger Raptor was introduced for the 2019 model year. Developed as a street-legal counterpart of an off-road racing vehicle, the Raptor is optimized for off-road use with 4-wheel drive, all-terrain tires and an upgraded suspension system along with widened fenders. The Raptor is visually disguised by its grille emblem in lieu of the Ford blue oval emblem. Both the F-Series and the Ranger Raptor spell Ford in the grille. The Ford F-150 Raptor owns the road and pretty much anywhere one drives it. Thanks to its massive all-terrain tires, lane-filling stances and widened F-150 body, the Raptor's long travel suspension gives it both awesome off-road capability and impressive ride comfort. And for further information on the Ford Raptor, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this amazing and premium diecast truck, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below, so go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your opinions and thoughts on this amazing 1/28 scale diecast Ford truck. And I would like to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback, and it's much appreciated. So please continue to support Dnation by subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos, and stay tuned for some unique and fun episodes coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below, and stay tuned for a lot more fun episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.